Prawn farming is a fascinating process that combines science, sustainability, and patience. It all begins with broodstock, adult prawns carefully selected for their health and breeding qualities. These broodstock are maintained in specialized tanks, where they spawn eggs under controlled conditions. The eggs hatch into tiny larvae, which are nurtured in hatcheries with precise control over water quality, temperature, and nutrition to promote healthy growth. After several weeks, the larvae undergo metamorphosis into juvenile prawns, known as post-larvae. Once they reach a suitable size and strength, these post-larvae are transferred to grow-out ponds. These ponds are designed to replicate natural environments by regulating salinity, oxygen levels, and temperature. Farmers provide a balanced diet and continuously monitor water conditions to prevent disease outbreaks. Over a period of 3 to 6 months, the prawns grow rapidly, and farmers regularly assess their size and health. When the prawns reach market weight, they are carefully harvested, then cleaned, sorted, and packed for distribution. Through meticulous management and sustainable practices, prawn farming offers a dependable source of high-quality seafood enjoyed by consumers around the world.